From the sequence that you took down, did you get the answer? Others? You can put up the answer in the chat box. Let's see. Yes, everyone, be there on the screen. Very good, Deepali. You understood the trick, Deepali?
Yes, sir.
Good. What about others? I'd given you the sequence of the sense strand of DNA. You had to tell the sequence of the mRNA produced from that DNA. Anyone else ready with the answer? Remain on the screen, everyone. Shivganga, it's incorrect. There's one small error which you can notice easily. Try for one more minute. I'll tell the answer. Shivganga, you understood where you went wrong? Check. The question is asking for the sequence of the mRNA. Sundar, you have written only the first codon. Okay, everyone, look here. Harsha, again incorrect. Can you tell me, Harsha, where you went wrong? Okay, pay attention. See, the sequence which I have given you is of the sense strand of the DNA. I think Sundar is correct. Just now which you messaged. So 2 people have got it correctly. Pay attention. See, listen again, everybody. I have given you the sequence of the sense strand. Does it take part in transcription? The sense strand, does it take part in transcription? No. Okay. So in this 5 prime, okay, this is ATG. So what will be the other strand of DNA? Antisense. Getting it? The other strand of DNA would be the antisense. What I have given you of the sense, I had been constantly telling that. Are you able to understand, everyone? So if the sense strand of the DNA is known, can you write the sequence for the antisense?
Yes.
It will be complementary. The antisense would be, first one I will write, it is T, A, C. Agree with this, everyone? According to this, this is of the DNA itself I'm telling. Okay, the first one is the sense strand. This what I have written is the antisense strand. Okay, in this the last one is A, T, C. Like that you can fill up the others also in the antisense. Okay, now this antisense strand is the one taking part in transcription. So when the transcription is taking place, what happens? The sequence is in 5 prime to 3 prime. Are you getting it? It will take time to understand, no problem, but concentrate.
Yes.
Okay, so here the first codon of the antisense is TAC. So what will be coming up in the mRNA now? Complementary, bolo.
AUG.
Correct. It will be AUG. Getting it? So Harsha and Shiv Ganga, where you went wrong? We had to write the sequence of the mRNA. So in an mRNA, can there be a T?
No.
RNA में T नहीं होता है ना? That's where you went wrong. The T is replaced by U. Got it? So it is AUG. Same way, you tell me the next one also. Bolo.
CGA.
See, here it would be what? C.
GGU.
Yes, so it will be G, G, U. Got it? Tell me the last one.
UAG.
Correct. Harsha, Shivganga, Abhirami, getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you observe carefully, what did we do? We were given the sense strand. उसका complementary किया तो we got the antisense strand. Antisense का complementary किया तो we got the mRNA. So that means 2 times we did the complementary. So the simplest thing is the mRNA sequence will be exactly the same as the sense strand, except that T की जगह पे U आ जाएगा. So you did not have to do anything at all. Getting it? mRNA sequence is exactly the same as the sense strand. Can you notice that? Here it is ATG, here it is ATG.
Yes.
It is GGT, here it is GGU. So tell me the next one.
AAG.
It will be the
AAG.
same, AAG. Next one.
GAA.
Very good.
AA.
Good. Shivganga is enjoying now. Bolo. CCT. Next one is
CCU.
exactly.
CCU.
फटाक से बोल दिया कि नहीं. You did not have to write anything at all. The entire question was given in such a way to twist you, and everybody got twisted. That's the fun. Getting it? Sometimes the question appears very complicated, but the answer is simply nothing. So remember like this. Okay, the sense strand and the mRNA sequence is the same. Only thing, instead of T, here it will be U. Bus. Enjoyed?
Yes.
Getting it? It's very easy, right? So this way you will understand the concept also better now. Okay. So ready for one more question, everyone?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good. So take down this one more question and try to solve now. Okay, the question is slightly different. I have given you an mRNA sequence. Okay, now the sequence given to you is mRNA. You have to tell what will be the sequence of bases in the antisense strand. Please remember, read the question carefully. mRNA is given, antisense has to be told. Start. Put up the answer in the chat box. Whenever you are writing any strand, remember to write the direction also, 5 prime, 3 prime, whatever. So question is asking for antisense, so you should know the direction now. I think by now this everybody should be able to answer. Oh, Shiv Ganga, फिर से mistake. Think. कहाँ mistake हो गया? Dipali is correct. Again, I'm repeating, the given sequence is mRNA. You have to find out the antisense. All possible questions like this can be made, no? Ishika, are you solving? कुछ समझ रहे हैं? आंसर नहीं कर रही हो? Sundar, what about you? Harsha? Done?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Yes. Sundar has got the correct answer. Good. Sundar, you also understood the trick, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Once you understand the trick, then it's like any such type of question you can answer. Shivganga, getting it? Abhirami? Abhirami missed out the session. Okay. Shivganga, what about you?
Sir, I didn't get it.
Now you're getting it? Good. Try for 1 more minute or else I tell so that we can go to the next one. This part we have to finish today itself, right? Okay, so I'll tell the answer. Pay attention. See, again the process, the technique, the trick remains the same. The sequence which is given is of which one? This sequence,
mRNA.
it is the mRNA. Everyone pay attention. Be on the screen, everyone. The given sequence is of mRNA. mRNA is produced from which strand of DNA? Shivganga, Sundar, Harsha.
Antisense.
Antisense. This comes from what? Antisense. So the antisense will be from 3 prime to 5 prime. Getting it? Antisense will be
Yes.
from 3 prime to 5 prime. So will it be complementary to the mRNA? Yes, Harsha. Will it be complementary to the mRNA?
Yes.
It will be because it is produced as the result of that. It is the reverse of the transcription which I am asking. So here if it is A, so here it will be what? Harsha will answer this. If it's an A in the mRNA, so in the antisense, which base will be there?
T.
It will be T because antisense is a part of the DNA, so there cannot be a U. Got it? Similarly, next one is U. So here it will be
A.
it will be
A.
correct. Next one is G. So here it would be
C.
C. Like that, you have to continue. Tell me the last three. U. So it is
A.
A. Got it? This one is G. So here it will be
C.
G.
C.
Correct. And if it is A, so it will be
T.
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 Got it? So like that, you have to fill up the rest of the bases also. And this you will be getting the sequence of your antisense strand. Getting it? So the trick remains the same. Okay, which are the three that you should know? The sense, the antisense, and the mRNA. So if any one of them is given, you can determine any of the other two. So if I give you the sense strand, you can determine antisense. You can determine mRNA. If I give you antisense, you can determine sense or mRNA. If I give you mRNA, you can determine sense or antisense. Are you getting it? So any such probable question can be asked. You can easily answer that. Is that clear, everyone? After practicing, will you be able to
Yes.
answer properly? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So remember that. Okay. Now let's go to the next and a very interesting part. After transcription, assuming that all of you have understood transcription properly, mRNA production has been done. Now we move to the next part. The mRNA will come out of the nucleus, go into the ribosome. And what happens over there? Okay. So now again, take a look at the screen properly. There are two words now we have to understand. One is translation, the other one is translocation. There is a difference. Okay, pay attention properly. Remain on the screen, everyone. Shiv Ganga, I cannot see you. Yes. Okay. See, translation and translocation. Okay. By now you know the meaning of that. Amino acid sequence has to be formed. They need to be joined to each other, and a protein has to be formed. So what is translation? What is translocation? Okay. See. Now, how does a ribosome look? Okay. There is a detailed structure. We are not going into the details of that. For your understanding, what I'm saying is a ribosome has got two subunits or two small parts. One of them is this one. The other one is a larger one, a smaller one. Sorry. So one is a larger subunit and a smaller subunit. They are simply joined like that. For now, your understanding, this is enough. Okay, we are not talking about the components of the ribosome and all. Okay, so there is a large subunit, there is a small subunit. Now what happens is the mRNA which is produced, that's from 5' to 3'. This one comes out of the nucleus and comes into the ribosome. So how it gets attached to the ribosome? You can see the 5' end here. That's the engine side of the ribosome. Okay, that part enters the ribosome in the larger subunit. Understand properly? The 5' part of the mRNA enters the ribosome in the larger subunit. Okay, in such a way that at a time there are two codons of the mRNA which are inside. The remaining codons are outside. You understood how they are attached?
Yes.
Okay, the mRNA will come out of the nucleus into the ribosome in such a way that from the 5' end, okay, the mRNA will be inside, and at a time, two of the codons are in the larger subunit. Two codons are in the larger subunit. Two codons fully inside, remaining codons outside. Okay, now what will happen? You know very well, that if this is a codon, there is a corresponding anticodon in the tRNA. Correct? So the tRNA is represented like this. So AUG is the codon. Okay. So what is the anticodon for that? UAC. Agree with that?
Yes.
So AUG codon is coding for the amino acid methionine. Are you getting this? Observe this and understand first of all. tRNA present in the cytoplasm, okay, will be getting methionine along with it and come to the ribosome and attach both of them. That means there will be a bonding between the codon and the anticodon, so that the respective tRNA has got this amino acid. That's the first step. And always, because you know very well, 5' end, the beginning is always the start codon, AUG. So the first amino acid is always methionine. That is fixed. Any doubt till here? Sundar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, be on the screen. Okay. Okay, so this is the first step. Now what is the next step? There is another amino acid another codon inside. It's written randomly. I have given example UUU. So there will be a corresponding anticodon for this one also. For UUU, what will be the anticodon now?
A.
Yes, AAA. So another tRNA. There are a lot of tRNA in the cytoplasm. Another tRNA which is having this anticodon will get the corresponding amino acid. Here it is phenylalanine, because UUU codes for phenylalanine. So according to that, the next tRNA has got the next amino acid. So at this point of time, in the larger subunit of the ribosome, there is the part of the mRNA having two codons, correspondingly two RNAs with two amino acids ready. That's the complex which is produced. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now what will happen? Can you tell me what is the next step? What should happen after this? इसके आगे क्या होना चाहिए? What is the next step? That both the tRNA are individually catching hold of one amino acid. So the next step would be you have to join the two amino acids by which bond?
Yes. Peptide bond.
Correct.
Peptide bond.
Okay. So see. Now what is happening is this particular tRNA, it has got the methionine. Its function, its job is over. So it will keep the methionine over there and go back empty. That means the first tRNA will be out. Only methionine is ready. What will happen to the methionine? This tRNA, whose job is over for now, that will be recycled. That means what? It will go back to the cytoplasm. Again, when it is required, it will come back with the next amino acid. Okay, so that is recycled. So the first codon has been translated. Okay, next step is same way. The third codon will be now doing its work. But in this process, now what is happening is, see, the first codon, this particular complex, its work is over. So this entire setup will be out. mRNA will slightly shift ahead, so that UUU, this one comes to the first place, and this third one comes to the second place. There is a shift. Are you getting it? because the first codon is fully translated now. So methionine will be attached to the second amino acid, that is phenylalanine. The empty tRNA will be out. AUG will come out. So that now instead of the first and second codon, now the second and the third codon will be inside. And that the third codon will be translated by this respective amino acid, same pattern. So this shifting of the tRNA inside the ribosome so that the next codon comes inside, that is called as translocation. It's like if you have traveled by local train, you know very well, when you are getting a place to sit and if one person gets up, what do? You shift inside, no?
Yes.
Right? So initially if you are in the fourth seat, one by one the next people are getting out of a station, they are getting up. So at one point of time you reach the window seat. Yes or no? That is translocation. And translation means what? According to the codon, the respective amino acid is brought. So it is translated. This codon, okay, it means I have to get this amino acid. Like that, it will continue. Okay, the amino acid chain will be produced one by one in the mRNA. Whatever number of codons are there, they will be translated. The respective amino acids will be brought. But till what time it will happen? At one point of time, there will be the stop codon present. mRNA का 3 prime में क्या आएगा? Stop codon. That means there is no amino acid to be brought. Getting it? Because stop codon does not code for any amino acid. But at that time, now what will happen? Once the stop codon is reached, the entire setup will understand that the translation has to stop. No further translation has to be done because of the presence of stop codon. That time, the entire amino acid chain will be taken out, and that itself becomes your protein or the polypeptide. And this entire apparatus or this will be dismantled. Both the ribosomal subunits will be dismantled. The tRNA will go back to the cytoplasm. Okay, the mRNA will be disintegrated. Their job is done. Getting it? Amino acid chain is processed and it is used as the protein. So you understood the difference between translation and translocation properly?
Yes.
Translation means to translate. Okay, if I am telling in English, you are telling in Hindi, that's translation. So mRNA is having one language, protein is the other language. And translocation means what? Shifting. One codon, one amino acid at a time. When it is done, tRNA go out. Next one come in. That is called translocation. So like that, ultimately, what is the result? You are getting a fully formed protein molecule. So now imagine the gene or the DNA in every cell. We are having thousands and millions of genes. Every gene is undergoing this process constantly. Now you can imagine how it takes place in the nature. If the cells of a leaf in a plant has to do photosynthesis, the gene will do all this so that the respective enzyme is produced and the photosynthesis takes place. Getting it? Okay. So it's a tedious and a complicated process, but takes place very efficiently. And understood the role of all the participants here. Stop codon, start codon, all the other codons, the tRNA, the rRNA, right? The respective enzyme. That's why everything which is produced has got some function. And that's the reason nature has divided this so nicely. 3 prime end pe stop codon rakh diya, so that you know if this is a sentence, this is the full stop. Getting it? Okay, that's how the entire process works. Clear, everybody? Okay, Just
Yes.
one thing. So transcription, translation, translocation. These three we have discussed fully. Okay. So quickly disconnect and join back again. There's just a small part remaining. We will complete that, and that will be the end of the first part of this unit. Okay. Join back again.